Hello, today we'll be assembling a CSE Butterfly Valve. First we will start by lubricating our disc. Then we'll be installing the disc into the seat. I want to be careful not to scratch the disc while doing this. After that, locate one of the pieces. Notice the 4 bolt holes at the top, as well as the handle holes. That's going to be up. Place the disc inside the butterfly valve securely. Make sure it's fully seated. After the seat is fully secured in the bottom of the valve, take your other piece, this on the top. Apply firm pressure, make sure it's lined up evenly. Now we are ready to begin placing screws in, assembled. I want to be careful to not screw is semi-secure, flip it over, other side. And again, we'll be tightening the screws fully once we have them placed in. Now we have the screw secure. We want to check to make sure this is lined up. We begin tightening the star pad. Go back to the other side, tighten some more. Now that our set screws are fully secure, make sure the valve is lined up. Place cap in, after which we're ready to install our handle. Star bolt for the handle. Sure it's secure. Handle, press. Set screw. After getting the screw all the way down, one wants to make sure that it's not over tight, as this will damage the seat. Once you begin to snug up, that's when you can stop. Cap on. Test for function. There's an assembled CSE Butterfly.